So hello everyone, here I am going to teach you OWS, and OWS is very important for you. So the first OWS will be, okay, what is the meaning of amicable? What is the meaning of amicable? Someone who is friendly and good natured, that is amicable. Amnesia. What is the meaning of amnesia? A partial or total loss of memory is amnesia. Amnesty. What is amnesty? An official pardon, the formal act of liberating someone. That is amnesty. Amoral. Not following any moral rules and not caring about right or wrong. That is amoral. Amphibian. Animal that can live both on land and in water. That is amphibian. Amputee. What is the meaning of amputee? A person who has had one or more limbs removed. Amputee. What is analogy? Comparison between things that have similar features. That is analogy. What is analysis? Detailed examination of something complex. That is analysis. What is anarchist? What is anarchist? A person who believes that laws and government are not necessary. That is anarchist. What is anarchy? Anarchy means a situation in a country and organization it's in which there is no government order or control. That is anarchy. What is anatomy? What is the meaning of anatomy means? Anatomy means the branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animal, and living organism. That is anatomy. What is answer? A person who present a radio television program. That is answer. What is ancient? Ancient, belonging to long past. That is ancient. Anecdote. A short, interesting, or amusing story about a real person or an event. Anecdote. What is anesthetist? Anesthetist, a medical specialist who administers drugs or administers drugs for relieving pain during surgery. Anesthetist. Anesthesia दिया जाता है ना, anesthetist. Anile, like a weak old woman. That is anile. Animosity. What is animosity? A strong dislike. That is animosity. What is the meaning of annihilate? Um, to destroy something. That is in annihilate. Anniversary. The date one event happened in some previous year. That is anniversary. Animosity. A fixed annuity. What is the annuity? A fixed sum paid annually. That is annuity. Anonyms. What is the meaning of anonymous, my friend? With a with a name that is not known, that is not made public. जैसे कि बिटकॉइन का जो फाउंडर है वो क्या है, एनोनियम्स. ओके. एनोरेक्सिया, obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat. कोई भैंसिया है जो अपना वजन घटाना चाह रही है. एनोरेक्सिया. Anthology, collection of poems, stories, etc. that have been written by different people and public held together in a book, a collection of poems. That is anthology. Anthropology, the study of human race, especially its origin, development, customs, and beliefs. That is anthropology. Anticipate. What is anticipate means, my friend? Anticipate means to look forward to. That is anticipate. Anticipate, look forward to. Antidote, a medicine to nullify the effect of poison. That is antidote. What is antipathy? What is antipathy? Antipathy means strong dislike between two persons. That is antipathy. Antipathy. Okay. Antiquarian means one who studies antique things. That is antiquarian. Antiquarian. What is antithesis? What is antithesis? बोलता नहीं, ये एंटी है. द एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट इज एंटीथेसिस. What is antonyms? What which are opposite in meaning. That is antonyms. Antonyms. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of apartheid? A policy that segregate people on the basis of race. That is apartheid. That is apartheid. That is apartheid. Okay. And what is the meaning of apartment? What is the meaning of apartment? A set of rooms forming one residence in your building. That is apartment. Okay. What is apathetic? What is the meaning of apathetic? The meaning of apathetic is showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm, or concern. That is apathetic. Apathetic. Okay, what is and apathy? Apathy means the feeling of not being interested in or enthusiasm. Apathy. I hope you will understand. What is the meaning of aphasia? Loss of speech due to medical problem. That's aphasia. Apiary. What is the meaning of apiary? A place where bees are kept. That is apiary. What is the meaning of apologize? To express regret for something that one has done wrong. Apologize. Apostasy. The state of having rejected your religious belief or your political party or a cause. That is apostasy. What is apostle? Apostle means a pioneer of a reformer movement. This is apostle. Appalling. What is appalling means? Appalling means causing shock or dismay. That's appalling. What is the word appalling? Causing shock or dismay. That's appalling. Appalling means causing shock and dismay. That's appalling. Okay. And what is appercertain? Appercertain means be appropriate or applicable. Be appropriate or applicable. That's appercertain. Okay. I hope you will understand. Applicant. What is the meaning of applicant? Okay, so applicant means a person who formally requests something, especially as well as applicant. uh, Appraisal means estimation of a thing's worth. Appraisal. Okay, what is the meaning of appreciate means to rise in value. That's appreciate. To rise in value. That is apprentice. What is the meaning of apprentice means a person who wants or an expert to learn a trade. That is apprentice. What is the meaning of aquaphobia? The meaning of aquaphobia is being afraid of water or being near water. Is aquaphobia. What is the meaning of aquarium? What is the meaning of aquarium? A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. Aquarium. Aquatic. What is the meaning of aquatic? Growing or living in or near water. Huh? No. What is the meaning of aquatic?
इतना देर मेरे पापा से पहले
Aquatic means growing or living in or near water. That's aquatic. And what is the meaning of ample? Ample means suitable for. अच्छा ample. Arable. What is the meaning of arable? Suitable for growing crop. That is arable. Agriculture करने लायक है. Arbitrary. What is the meaning of arbitrary? The meaning of arbitrary is based on chance rather than reason or a plan. That is arbitrary. मनमाना करना. Arbitrary. That is not arbitrary. अच्छा, arbitrator means what is the meaning of arbitrator? A person who is chosen to settle a disagreement. A person appointed by the parties to resolve a dispute. That is arbitrator. Okay. Archaeologist. What is archaeologist? One who studies human antiquities. That is archaeologist. What is archaeology? The study of human history and prehistory things. The execution of history. Archaeology. What is the name of archive? Archive means no longer in use. Archive. Okay, no longer in use. Oh, what is the meaning of archipelago? What is the meaning of archipelago? A large body of water with many islands. That is archipelago. What is the meaning of archives? The place where public, government or historical records are kept. That is archives. Ardour. What is ardour? Ardour means zeal, burning, enthusiastic or passion. Zeal होता है zeal. Arena means a place where fight take place. That's arena. Aristocracy means a government by the nobles, government by person of higher social. That is aristocracy. Arsenal. What is arsenal? A military structure where arms and ammunition and other military equipment are stored and training is given in the use of arms. That is arsenal. What is arson? Intentionally starting a fire to damage something. That is arson. What is arsonist? Arsonist? A criminal who illegally sets fire to property. That is arsonist. What is arsonphobia? Fear of fire. That is arsonphobia. What is the antidote? Antidote means what is antidote? Okay. Showing क्या बोलते हो, good at expressing ideas, feeling clearly in what. That is antidote. What is the artist? Artist means articulate. Oh my god, articulate. Good at expressing ideas, feeling clearly in what. That is articulate. Artist means one who practice one of the fine art. That is artist. What is ascetic? Ascetic means one who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasure. Ascetic. Ascetic. What is ascribe? Ascribe means regard something as being due to a cause. Ascribe मतलब किसी को श्रेय देना. Ascribe मतलब ascribe करते हो किसी को तुम. Ascaris means nations that do not trust each other. America or North Korea. Assailant, a person uh, who physically attacks another. That's assailant. Assent. Assent means to argue to a request, an idea. Assent. क्या बोलते हैं उसके बाद क्या है ये वाला? Assertive. The quality of being politically firm and dominating. Assertive. Astrologer means one who tells future from the start. That is astrologer. Okay. Astronaut. What is an astronaut? A person who is trained to in space. A person who is trained to travel in space. That is astronaut. Astronomy means the scientific study of the sun, moon, stars, and planets. That is astronomy. Asylum means place that provide refugee, a hospital where people who were mentally ill could be cared for often for a long time. That is asylum. Atheist. What is an atheist? A person who does not believe in good. That is atheist. What is an antonym? An action of making amend for a wrong or injury. That is antonym. Audible means that can be heard clearly. That is audible. Audit means the official inspection of a companies and individual or account. That's audit. Audit. Okay. Auditor. What is the auditor? One who makes an official examination of account. That is auditor. Auditorium means a building where an audience sits. That is auditorium. Authentic mean made or done in the traditional or organized way, something that is genuine. That is authentic. Autobiography means an account of a person's life written by self-autobiography. Autocracy means a system of government of a country in which one person has complete power. That is autocracy. Autocrat means a ruler who is complete power. That is autocrat. Apostasy means an official examination of a dead body by a doctor in order to discuss the cause of a death. Avalanche मतलब ये mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain side. That is avalanche. What is autonomy? Autonomy means self-rule. That is autonomy. Self-rule. Autonomy. Avant-garde means the group of, especially in the art, regarded as being the most experimental. That's avant-garde. Avarice means insatiable desire for wealth. Avaricious, having an extreme desire for wealth. Aviary, a place where birds are kept. That is aviary. I hope you will understand. Thank you very much for watching this kind of content. All the best.